Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Guwahati location. It is from Assam. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for Area Sales Executive position. It is from DNV Foods Products Private Limited. So, coming to about the job description, they are looking for a dynamic leader with a progressive thought, a person with a vision to drive business with passion. In general, they drive for their food division. The candidate must have possess knowledge of Northeast states and also have worked at least above 5 years in a managed role for any FMCG company in Guwahati headquarters. So the candidate must be good in data analysis and data understanding strategies to be formed based on data and must be good with MS Office. So these are the requirements about this area sales executive position. So interested candidates to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@dnvfoods.com, and you need to make a CC to harsh.jain@dnvfoods.com. Next one, there is a job opening for Operation Support Executive position. It is from Wipro. So coming to key skills required for this position, like as a senior functional executive, you are responsible for end-to-end in respective area of work, and you should be able to interface with stakeholders, resolve the queries or problem, and provide input for improvement areas, and you are expected to identify the reporting model or details and frequency of reporting, and you are expected to guide new members in the team and help them scale up faster, and you should be having 3 to 5 years of experience to apply for this executive position. So interested candidates to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description to apply, so you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for MIS expert. So it is from AECOM. So it will be a full-time position as entry level. So let us discuss about the responsibilities mentioned here. So firstly, you need to design and maintain a database and regular process schedule for all the works undertaken by the employer in the head office and or by PIU formed by the client. And also you need to update the database for the status of progress on ongoing and completed works and assist AIWTDS in ensuring that projects are developed in accordance with the agreements between AIWTDS, World Bank, and the state governments or other relevant implementation strategies, and deploy predefined tracking process, tools and dashboards, and integration of tracking and follow periodically track and report progress of coordinating between work streams and resolving issues. Next, coming to minimum requirements, bachelor's degree in computer science, MCA, master's degree in information technology is required, and also above 7 years of experience in management information system for private or public sector or government organizations, and specifically more than 5 years of experience in MIS implementation and project management for large infrastructure projects. So coming to preferred qualifications, you should be having excellent verbal and written communication skills, and time management and people management skills will be valuable. So these are the details about this position. If you want to apply for this position, so interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for client success specialist position. It is from Vantage Circuit. So let us now discuss about the requirements and the responsibilities mentioned here. Firstly, I'll go with the responsibilities mentioned here. such as like you need to develop and maintain strategic long-term trusting relationships with clients to accomplish organic growth and long-term company objectives, and you need to develop a complete understanding of the client's needs and requirements and expand the relationships with existing clients by continuously proposing solutions that meet their objectives, resolve client issues and the complaints, and anticipate account charges, changes and improvements, and manage communications between key clients and internal teams across geographies, and collaborating with the sales team to maximize profit by upselling or cross-selling. So coming to requirements, relevant work experience of 2 to 3 years in expertise sales, key account customer success, and you should be having bachelor's degree in marketing, business administration, sales, or relevant field experience is preferred, and also excellent verbal and written communication skills are required, expertise in conducting periodic health checks with existing clients through meetings and analyzing dashboards, and proven ability to juggle multiple client success projects at a time while maintaining sharp attention to detail, and problem solving analytical skills with logical thinking, goal oriented, organized team player, self motivated and self directed, and excellent interpersonal relationship skills along with the networking and negotiation skills. So these are the details about this client success specialist position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing manager. So it is from My 3D Selfie. Qualifications will be 1 year of experience like in marketing is required, and content creation skills are required, and also excellent communication and organizational skills are required. So coming to responsibilities, plan and execute digital marketing campaigns, monitor and analyze effectiveness of the marketing content, develop and manage website content, find and target audiences. So you can check here with all the details mentioned here, and if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for brand partner. So it is from Oriflame, Poland. They are looking for the people with leadership quality and great communication skills, and it will be a work from home opportunity. So the flexible work hours will be there, monthly income, and training and webinars will be there. So interested candidates to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for executive for credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. So let us discuss about here the skills and the key responsibilities. So the skills required will be the candidate should be having the knowledge in documentation and KYC required, and the qualification and experience will be should be having graduation with 0 to 3 years of total experience, and positive attitude and team player, and should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and should have excellent communication skills along with their strong presentation and data analytics skills are required. So coming to key responsibilities, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with the minimum DVU hold system hold or branch hold. So regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay, and regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments. So you can also check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. If you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. So you can go through with the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for content contributor for data collection study. So it is from TransPerfect. So it will you can work from anywhere, anytime with virtually, no training or technical expertise. So requirements would be access to a high-speed internet connection and access to a mobile device capable of taking photos greater than 3 MP and videos greater than 720 pixels. So these are the requirements from you. So interested candidates to apply for this content contributor position, I have provided the link in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for utilities customer service representative. So it is from IOC Spa and Wellness Private Limited. So coming to responsibilities, you need to communicate with customers via phone, email and chat and provide knowledgeable answers to questions about product pricing and availability, and work with internal departments to meet the customers' needs and data entry in various platforms. So coming to qualifications, at least you should be having 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience and excellent phone etiquette and excellent verbal, written and interpersonal skills are required, and ability to multitask, organize and prioritize work. So these are the responsibilities and qualification details for this position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for channel team lead. So it is from Amazon. So let us discuss about here the functions and the essential skills required. So coming to responsibilities, account identification and acquisition. In this, market mapping and identification of potential retail stores for time-bound acquisition, induction and onboarding of new accounts in the assigned territory, and under the account management, you need to manage and driving the growth of the channel partners or stores business with Amazon. Build and execute on a strategic account plan that delivers on key business opportunities for the stores and Amazon. And under the field visits, you need to visit targeted number of stores on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And coming to under the training, you need to deliver training and coaching of Amazon processes, products, operating model and SOPs. Next, coming to essential skills required, you should be having strong leadership capabilities and people management skills, and ability to work under pressure situations, and ability to work in ambiguous situations, and you should be having good communication skills and ability to communicate and explain to individuals and the team, and what needs to be achieved for the delivery center or Amazon to achieve its objectives. And you should be having the listening skills, like gain input and commitment from all involved in delivering their specific part. So these are the details about this position. So coming to basic qualifications, so you should be having graduation, so it will be mandatory, and should be well versed with data analysis and management, and people management experience should be there, and should be able to work with the cross teams, and experience in handling live operation preferred, wherein decisions have to be taken on the spot and actions needs to be initiated right away. So coming to preferred qualifications, it would be like you should be having experience in sales or logistics, and in experience in team management and advanced level knowledge of MS Excel, and display high ownership and the bias for action for customer service. So these are the all the details. So please check with all the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.